Hi everyone. Today I want to share how to bring up a virtual CAN interface using Linux. The first thing that I want to do is I want to show what kind of Linux distribution I'm using. I'm using Ubuntu 18.04 on an x86 processor, but as you see for yourself, you can actually run this in any Linux distribution. I'm gonna show which network interfaces are currently available right now. So I have kind of my Ethernet and then some Wi-Fi interface available. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring up virtual CAN interface. One of the reasons why it's a good idea to bring a virtual CAN interface is because if you don't have a CAN device that you want to develop on and that you want to test, you can run a lot of scripts using vCAN. And I have other videos that I'll show on how to run, for example, like CANbridge or other things like that. So this is how you actually bring up a virtual CAN interface. So you need root privileges. That's the sudo. You add a device to a network interface just like you would if you were bringing up Ethernet or wireless network interface. And then the device name, which is vCAN0, and the type is vCAN. So vCAN is a type of network interface that's recognized by Linux. So when you run that, you will actually enable the device. So now the device is available, but it won't run yet because it's not brought up yet. So if I do if config, it shows up, but it's actually down. So to actually bring up the device, you have to do one more step, which is this, and it's set up vCAN0, and so the device is now up and running. And here you can see that it says up. By the way, right now I'm running inside a Tmux terminal, and the reason why that is so that I can have another pane to show you how to test. So right now there are no packets. I haven't received or sent any CAN packets. So one way to actually send CAN packets is with the CAN utils. So if you don't have that yet, I would just run this, and it'll say that I already have it, so it won't add it. But I highly recommend it because we'll see. So let me show you. So right now, 0 packets have been sent, right? So if I open a new pane in Tmux, and I run this command cangen vcan0, if I just run it like that, it just generates a bunch of packets. And if I run it again, you'll see that now I'm receiving packets on this device. If you actually want to see what these packets are, you can actually run something like can dump vcan0. And so I'm going to dump all of the packets right here on the output on the console. So these are just random CAN IDs, random lengths too, that are being generated by this command. So if I actually stop it, so I'm on this pane now. If I actually do Control-C, now it's still listening, but it's now stopped. And so vCAN0 is now no longer. So I can do Control-C on this pane now, and that's it. And if I do if config again, now I see that I've received 230 packets, and it's about 1.2 kilobytes. You can actually also add another CAN interface. So let's call this one was called vCAN0. We can actually call this one vCAN1, and we do the same thing. We We'll bring it up. And now I have two vCAN interfaces. So you can do kind of like interesting things there. And I can show more of that in my next videos. Thanks.